On your CyclonePro, to set your limits, hold the program button in until up flashes, hold up arrow until door reaches up position. To save, press program, and then down comes on, press down to set down position. Press program button to save, and to install force, the up arrow then flashes, you press the up arrow. And then the down arrow will then come on to set the force for that. And once that is done, you're ready to program your hand remote in. Take your hand remote, select the button that you want to use, hold the button in and sign the yellow program button and hold that in till the light comes on. Release both and then test your remote. And your door is ready to operate.